Oh, check it out, everybody. We're camping. I got the Redcat Kaiju. Gonna take it out for a little rip, but before we do, we gotta fix what the factory didn't do. Put these tethers on here because I really don't want to lose any body pins out here in the forest because we're camping and I don't have extra parts with me. So let's get these parts installed on this lovely little RC, and then we could take it for a run. You know, it's always a question what car to bring. Ooh, damn. You know what I gotta do when I get home is install those Garage Life RC roof skids. Hopefully protect this thing a little bit better. Man, dude, this steering is... maybe it's too slow, or maybe it... yeah, I don't know. I think maybe that's why it's so hard to... the steering is a bit slow. Oh, good grief, this thing's got some power. I kind of wish I would have brought one of the bigger 8S ones, but they're kind of hard to get in and out of the camper. You know, they're big and freaking heavy. Hell, I don't even think I can begin to use the 6S that's in this thing. Ooh, God. Man, that front wheel just took a direct hit to that tree. Man, I'll tell you what, this is some terrain to be running here. Got tree roots, rocks, everything. Sure is made for a pretty backdrop. Oh, look. See, it was really foggy this morning. Everything's wet. Ah, now my car is wet. I'm waiting for the wife to get ready to go someplace. So I figure I'll come out here and try this. I just, you know, I figure I'll just put the body pins in and then come back later and do this. But no, she still ain't ready. See, like right through there, oh, the 8S, like the Outcast, I think would be perfect. Not that the 6S seems to be struggling, but the Kaiju is not German Shepherd approved. It's not Corgi approved either. Well, I think we got a little jump here. If I can get there. Ooh. Not a very good jump. Man. I'm glad I don't have any neighbors. I think their property here is a little better for running. Mine's a little bit more congested over there. My wife said the RC cars are loud and annoying. Man, can you believe that? What kind of stuff is that? I got the hippie over there on the other side of me. Pulls out his guitar, starts playing, which ain't bad. It's not until he starts moaning. Trying to sing. But, oh yeah, I might have a little ramp here. Man, I think we got a good little place here. Oh. Yeah, you know, I think I might have had it backwards. I think the steering was too fast, and that's why it was hard to, like, maybe because it's a bit slow. Like you turn it, it's just not really wanting to go. Yeah, interesting. I think I'll have to check the BEC, see what it's set at, maybe bump it up. Because I know our friend Chris with the C, on his Redcat Valkyrie, he turned the BEC up. He said it actually responded better, and I was like, man, I think mine was just a little too fast, but maybe not. Man, this is a nice spot to actually run. Except for right there's a lot of boulders. I can't run there. Dude, this thing's got some power. Oh, that's freaking awesome. No traction there. Dude, it only dropped because I let go of it. That's freaking awesome, man. This is an awesome RC. I'm glad I decided to give Redcat a shot, man. You know, it's one of those things. I heard a bunch of bad stuff about them, and I kind of let that influence me. It's kind of like, you know, like the Sledge gets a lot of hate, and again, you know, Chris with the C, he got a Sledge and was like, I don't understand it. It is a great car. Oh. Ooh. Kind of forgot how much power this thing had there for a second. Boy, I wish I could fit the ramp in the RV. I could probably find a way, but might get in trouble. Besides, either this guy with the trail says Imagine or the fifth one of them was over there on his rock yesterday with the freaking jigsaw for like half an hour cutting wood. I can run my RC car, man. Man, I cannot get any traction down here. I go from no traction to too much. Too much. Oh, look at how dirty this thing is. Oh, man. Man, it's not liking this road, man. I'm having a hard time wheeling. There we go. All right, everyone. I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. Had enough fun. Well, I haven't had enough fun yet, but I think the wife's done with her tea and her chocolates I brought back from Europe. I guess we're gonna be ready to go. Oh man, I hope you enjoyed watching the old Kaiju run. I gotta go easy, get those roof skids put on. I just got a bunch in from Garage Life RC, but I need to put them on. All right, everyone. Hope you enjoyed watching the monster wheelies from the Kaiju. I gotta go get this thing cleaned up somehow. I do have my little blower. I do actually have an air compressor in the RV I can use, which I think I might have to. All right, everyone. Hope you enjoyed watching the Kaiju run. Thank you for the support. Thanks for watching. Links down below have your discounts. If you shop Amazon, please go through my store. I get a commission for that. And if you want to buy a Kaiju, anything like that, I get links for AMAIN and Tower Hobbies down there. So I would appreciate that, and I do greatly appreciate those of you that do use the links. It helps me buy these RCs so I can bring this content to you. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.